Okay, Advent of Code 2022, day 1. Calorie counting. Santa's reindeer typically eat regular reindeer food, but they need a lot of magical energy to deliver presents on Christmas. For that, their favorite snack is a special type of star fruit that only grows deep in the jungle. The elves have brought you on their annual expedition to the grove where the fruit grows. To supply enough magical energy, the expedition needs to retrieve a minimum of 50 stars by December 25th, although the elves assure you that the grove has plenty of fruit. So collect stars by solving puzzles. Jungle must be too overgrown and difficult to navigate in vehicles or access from the air. Expedition traditionally goes on foot. As your boat approaches land, you begin taking inventory of their supplies. One important consideration is food. In particular, the number of calories each elf is carrying. Your puzzle input. The elves take turns writing down the number of calories contained by various meals, snack rations, etc. that they've bought with them. One item per line. Each elf separates their own inventory from the previous elf's inventory, if any, by a blank line. For example, suppose the elves finish writing their items' calories at the end and end up with the following list. This list represents the calories of each of the food created by 5 elves. First elf is carrying food with 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, yeah. Second is only 4,000. Okay. In case the elves get hungry and need extra snacks, they need to know which elf to ask. They'd like to know how many calories are being carried by the elf carrying the most calories. In the example above, this is 24,000 carried by the 4th elf. In case the elves get hungry and need access to snack, they need to know which elf to ask. They'd like to know how many calories are being carried. Okay. Find the elf carrying the most calories. How many total calories is that elf carrying? Okay, so first, let's add like okay, input file, and for now let's put the example. And then let's put like a solve.py, so let's solve it in Python, and with open input file is file.read. Let's see if that works. Okay. So now let's call that raw file contents. Okay, now raw elf contents should be raw file contents dot split by double new line. And then print raw elf contents. Oh, this should be raw file contents. Okay. We have a trailing new line, so is it trim or strip? Oh yes, it is ship. Okay, so then basically elf contents should be, I don't know, raw elf content got split by new line, or raw elf content, raw elf contents. And then I think this should be something like item, well, int item or item in. Okay, let's first just put item. Oh, this should be raw elf contents. Okay, now I can put the int. And then now I can find the elf that is carrying the most stuff. Okay, elf carrying most stuff is basically maximum of elf contents, and key is sum. I think we need the sum of that. Not most stuff. Most. Let's be more specific. Okay, so that's in this example, it's 24,000, like the example said, so it seems to work. So now let's get the puzzle input. Ah, okay, I have to log into get my puzzle input. So let's save it here. Yeah, overwrite. Why? Oh, it's still okay. Input.txt. Okay, so this is 66,719. That's the right answer. You're 1 gold star closer to collecting enough star fruit. By the time you calculate the answer to the elf's question, they might have already realized that the elf carrying the most calories of food might eventually run out of snacks. To avoid this unacceptable situations, the elves would instead like to know the total calories carried by the top 3 elves carrying the most calories. That way, even one of those elves runs out of snacks, they still have 2 backups. In the example above, the top 3 elves. Okay, how many calories are they carrying in total? So this is basically just changing this to sorted, Let's see. Okay, so now this is health. This. Oh, I don't want to print this anymore because it's confusing. But anyways, this should be, if I put reverse equals true, this should be just first three. Wait, this is 2, right? Why is it? Oh, that's all line. I don't remember how it works in Python. Oh, it's not inclusive of the last item. Okay. So how many calories are those elves carrying in total? So that should be... Yeah, so for the original input it's 45,000, so let's see. Okay. That's the right answer. Nice.